Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening the reel you want. Tap it so playback is visible. Once visible, locate the three-dot menu or the share arrow. Those controls hold the link. If you opened in a browser, make sure the address bar shows the real URL. If an app, the share menu is the path. Do this now so you can move straight into copying, delaying only add steps later. Now tap Share, then choose Copy Link. This copies the real URL to your clipboard. If Share doesn't show Copy Link, use More Options or long press the three dots to reveal it. On desktop, click the address bar, select the full URL, and press Ctrl+C or CMD+C. Once done, confirm by pasting into a Note app or message to verify the link. That quick check. Finally, paste the copied link where you need it and open it to verify it loads the same reel. If it redirects or shows an error, make sure the reel is still public and not deleted. Try incognito or a different device to rule out account issues. If problems persist, recopy from the app or browser after clearing cache. That troubleshooting step usually fixes stale or cached link failures.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.